when you're coming into a new portal, one of the tasks that you're probably going to want to do is cleaning up all the workflows because they're probably not going to be organized into any folders, as you can see here, right? They're going to be everywhere, and getting them organized really helps you with your workflow. But it's a tedious task. So I've added the capability to create and organize into folders into Daeda AI, and I'm going to show you how we can do this very, very quickly. So you can see we have the workflows here. I can come to my AI, I can say, what's my selected portal? What are the workflows that you see? And it shows me these workflows that I have here. And I can ask it, how should we organize these into different folders? And it's going to suggest something quite reasonable, right? Like a folder for the sales pipeline, a folder for renewals, a folder for data hygiene, 5 different folders in total. I'm going to say, that sounds great. Can you build a plan for this, please? It's going to take half a minute and it's going to build that plan. I'm going to say submit it, and I can come to my portal here and I can see this plan here, right? And all I have to do is review it, execute the plan, and we can come back to workflows, to folders, and we can see that it's created those 5 folders and they've all been organized into there, right? And this is 16 workflows. It works with as many workflows as you want. It can rename workflows, but that is how you can use Daeda AI to automate tedious workflow cleanup